It's been a while since I've made a video. I figured I'll go ahead and make an update. I started cutting out the package tray for a cow panel, and package tray was about what I expected, but I think I'm gonna replace the whole package tray. Just too much stuff wrong for me to just let it go. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. I think I've patched this since the last update I've done. I finally got around to patching this wheel well. You can see the shadow of the patch. It took me a while because the inner wheel well was messed up and I had to fix and weld that. I did finally put the rear end back in it. I put all poly bushings on the rear. Didn't put any shocks on it yet or tighten anything down because I gotta drop it. I'm putting lowering springs in it. I'm just waiting on the money right now. Currently putting poly bushings in the front control arms. All energy suspension. And shop dog. He tries to keep me straight best he can. Going ahead and welded up turn signals in the 69 fenders, being Zacaria's the 68. And I've ordered 2-inch drop spindles for the front. I ordered the Summit Racing brand, and it came in as Right Stuff brand, so save a couple dollars. Anybody getting ready to go through it. Comes with bearings and all that. And this is a drum brake car. I am switching it over to disc brake. I got everything from a 69. These are all brand new. That was brand new, but it's been sitting, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not. I'm debating whether to cut this out and replace the whole thing or just try to patch it. It looks worse on camera than anything else, but I'm leaning towards replacing all that. Other than that, I'm pretty solid. Not done anything with this side yet. I've not done any filler work with anything yet. You can see where it's done here for small crease. Of course I had a dent here. I've done that, started that. It got rear-ended at one point. Not bad. I was able to hammer most of it out. Yeah, focus. You can't really see anything. Trying to get back to work. Again, it was a bench seat car. I got a heck of a deal. Guy came from Virginia for a transmission I had. Traded me these seats. Give me an old front end that I cut up and put on the wall. I wish I had full fenders that were in good shape. I'd have loved to have put them on mine. But that's where I'm at as right now. These are my front tires. I don't have any tires for the back rims yet. I'm running a little poor. What you doing, boy? So that's where I'm at as of now. I'll keep you updated as I do more. Thank you.